Yeah, we just woke up and today is market day. Today is market day. That's that Tobogi? Tobogi fishing? Yeah. Guys, this is cow skin. Yeah, this is preparing, guys. Honestly. Yeah, so kindly consider subscribing if you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Kindly consider subscribing. Guys, this is Jonathan. This is my village, guys. This morning hour. But I want to go in the latrine. First of all, I want to visit the latrine, guys. So I need to get a key. Then there's our latrine there. That's the latrine back there. Yeah, honestly, there's the latrine back there. So I'm going there this morning. You know, when you wake up in the morning, you need to free yourself. Yeah, when you wake up in the morning, you got to free yourself, honestly. So kindly consider subscribing if that's my YouTube channel. Guys, kindly consider subscribing. Shout out to you all. The problem I face here is that the problem we face here, not only me, I keep saying that our internet service here is not good. Yeah, it's very, very bad. Our internet service here is just bad. Honestly, it's just bad. So bad. My friend, I scared door, I scared door. But Sasko, hey guys, like I said, good morning first. Good morning. The time here is 7:03. This is Jonathan. I make a video yesterday when I was passing to the creek. I make that video right here. This place, just look at this place here. I just want to show you something. Just look at this place. Yeah, just look at it. This place, if I dive into it, my mind can serve me good. Honestly, even though every one of us face the same problem. Yeah, every one of us face the same problem. But this woman used to actually be a nice woman to me. Yeah, he used to actually be a nice woman to me. And despite his son, yeah, his son too, he was not normal. Calva was not normal. Calva had a problem that, he was mad, but he was not totally mad. Understand? He was not totally mad. Honestly, he was not totally mad. But in the moon, when the moon is bright, you will get well. When the moon is bright, you'll get well. But when the moon going down, darkness fall, then his madness will start. Then what people used to do in the time is that people start using in that period. Free. Understand? But if you recover, you get your senses back. Then you start doing things. After the father passed off, he began to help. Yeah, he started helping his mother. So now he too is gone. Yeah, he died 2 years now. So in the course of 2 years, we just came from the war. After we came from the war, his father tried to repair the house, just like that. So his father passed off. And now the sense was not there. Okay, this is their dad grave, guys. This is Omer grave. This Omer here, this is his grave. Understand? It's so sad to talk now. The woman, she's a single mother. So now I'm going to pour on the string, guys, and then Oma, good morning. Guys, she's the one. Yeah, she actually, the story is so, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. If I dive into it, tears will run from my eye. But however, that's it. This is my home. Even though everyone else faces the same problem, we all don't have it. But some condition is worst more than some own. Yeah, how condition right now, the children right before the house there. They're all schooling, whatever. Uma, so you can speak to my family. They are my family. You can speak to them. Calm down. You can speak to my family. Speak to them.
Your money,
They are getting you guys discuss.
Money, Sony, mama, for Jonathan. My husband passed away. The labor will help me, or not, but she will help me. That one finish pass away. I don't get nobody. I don't get no owner. And you see the pagari, nobody there to cut it, nobody there to brush it. And you see the house, like here I live in, me and my grandchildren. We're going to school, nobody to help. The very problem as facing here. Food said to eat, I have until I go to contract before we eat, me and my grandchildren. And the problem is facing here.
How many years now since the woman passed off?
6 years.
6 years now.
Yeah.
Okay. And Calva too passed off.
Calva year. When they more in, like 2 years.
Okay, 2 years.
Yeah.
So the woman is just like there are 4-year differences. 4-year interval between Calva and his dad.
Yeah.
And Calva used to be a great help, even though Calva was someone that, yeah, he was not normal, but that's his sickness really happening, guys. You know, when the moon is bright, he'll recover. But when the moon go down, you know, then the people here now, they will capitalize on that. They will start to use him. You know, some families will use him free, you know, in that time frame. But when you recover, you get his senses back, then you start doing things excellent. You know, so after his father passed off, he was a big help to his mother. He was a big help. Now, he is no more, he is gone. So you see the school children. So what the children are able to do for the family right now. So she's the one that's taking care of every one of them. Don't go in front of the house there. She's the one taking care, you know, and now see how the company is like, how their yard is like. Yeah, very bushy right now. No one there taking care of it. Go to school now? What are you? What are you? Huh? You want? Okay, good. Like that's one of the children. Yeah, see how the area is looking like. So I just decided to visit the Oma this morning, you know, just have some conversation with her. Because yesterday I was passing to the creek. I was like showing you guys where we fetch water from. So when I reached yesterday, Mama run there. So however, Oma, let's keep our hand across. Anything, then I will get to you. You understand? Guys, honestly, not me. That if anybody can be of help to the Oma, I will be fine. Yeah. See. Okay, just look at this place. If you were the one sleeping here and the rain season is approaching, then what would be the outcome of it? You see that? You know, look at the place. Yeah. The entire house, only one room. Now, only one room that they're hoping on. Only one room, honestly. You see? So out of one, 2, 3, no, the fourth one is their only hope. Yeah, honestly, the fourth one is their only hope. So this side is gone, honestly, guys. You know, I don't want to dive into it because I will definitely share here, honestly. Yeah. However, guys, so come on. So that's it. I'm going to the house now.
All right, thank you.
All right. Thank you. Yeah. All right. Okay. Later. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, guys. The story. That's the story. You know, the story is so difficult to explain. Yeah. Hi, money. So, I'm here to the pit. Your beer palm. You're eating all. Then. No, but I come here. Fine. But tomorrow going to be Oh, okay. You will come here and go eat on the rest? All right. Ama, I don't money. Never. Yeah, guys. So, you know, it was so beautiful. I've been coming here, but they have not been registering on my mind. But yesterday, when I was filming, going to where we fetch water from, as you can see the children going there now. You know, when I reached here, you know, my man got on the woman. You know, our best of friend, very active. You know, daybreak time like this, 6 o'clock. Can you imagine? You walk from your house, you enter the town, then you speak to everybody. Yeah, you make sure you speak to everybody in the town. Oh, no. Life is nothing. Yeah, life is nothing. Now he's gone. Look at his home. How the home is like. The home is finished. Yeah. At a 4-bedroom house. Yeah, 4-bedroom house. Only one room there now that she's hoping on. Yeah, only one room there she's hoping on. So I even wonder that if rainy season comes, if it start raining heavily, yeah, how things will be like there. Guys, today is market day here. Technically today is market day, and pretty soon by 9-10 you see our market will start coming in. And also today I'll be leaving for Vonjema. I'll be leaving to go to Vonjema and then to do some editing and then upload. I told you guys initially that here network is our problem. If I was to get network here good, then it wouldn't be to and fro much. Yeah, and I will surely Koto Burukra ye. Cancel you Burukra toy. J'ai harmonie. Il est 7h13. Ah, okay. Guys, I'm kind of asking whether you have bread. Yes, no. Right now, no bread. Harmonie. Right now, no bread. Probably by 10, the bread will be available. Wow, that's great. That's great. That's so great. But for me, anytime I will be going to Vonjema, honestly, anytime I go to Vonjema. How about the pier? How about the pier? Yeah. Is that right? Guys, today is our market day. So, like I said, that's the story of the old man. Anybody can be a head. Anyone. Yeah, anyone can be a head. Even though every one of us feel the same problem, honestly. Yeah, every one of us feel the same problem. But